Hello traders and welcome back to this video. Today I'm gonna go over our new Oscillator Toolkit. The Oscillator Toolkit stands at the forefront of technical trading tools, offering a comprehensive suite of sophisticated, adaptive and unique oscillators. This toolkit has been thoughtfully designed to work in any market and in any time frame and to fit your unique trading style. Let's get into it. The Oscillator Toolkit is loaded with our most popular oscillators. Go to the setting panel and check out our WaveTrend Momentum, leading RSI, Momentum Oscillator and our Bellcurves. The setting panel works like this. When you have selected your oscillator, you go down to the section where the oscillator is displayed, in this case WaveTrend, and you can adjust any settings to the WaveTrend Momentum. And if you want to use the Bellcurves, you simply select the Bellcurves under oscillator type, and then you can scroll down to the section Bellcurves and change any settings if you like. That's how our setting panel works for this oscillator. And we have also included any alert function call, which I will cover in a separate video. The WaveTrend Momentum is the default oscillator for the toolkit. It has a lot of features. You have the trend strength feature, which is this trend line. Once the trend line is blue, we have a positive trend, and once the trend line is yellow, we are in a negative trend. You can select between the adaptive trend line and this stability trend line. You can set if you want a short-term or a long-term trend. It depends on how you like to trade. And we have included two amazing features, impulse and extremes. Impulse are those green and red dots that simply shows when the market is in an impulsive move. And these extreme areas simply highlights when the market is in an extreme mode, often followed by a pullback or a trend reversal. That is the features within the WaveTrend Oscillator. Let's have a look on our leading RSI. RSI is one of the most common indicator that traders around the world use in every single day. We have made this indicator even better by doing it leading instead of lagging. That's the main point of the leading RSI. As we can see over here, the leading RSI is this green line, which is increasing while the price is dropping and while the regular RSI is flat. This is the leading function in this RSI that actually can predict a market change. So you can see how this leading RSI is actually much faster than the regular one. And that is the main idea with this oscillator. You get the best of the regular RSI, but we just made it leading. That's the main point. And you can find tons of strategies using the leading RSI together with the old traditional RSI. Let's have a look on our Momentum Oscillator, which is a pretty unique and incredible great oscillator. We select it under the oscillator type and select Momentum. Then we scroll down to the Momentum section. This oscillator do not just measure the momentum, it adds two additional layers of analysis: buy and sell moves and extremes. This makes this oscillator unique and highly responsive while catching the underlying trend. And as you can see, we have included tons of different features, momentum features, support and resistance zones, trend change features, and you name it. This oscillator is a must-have if you want to trade momentum. This is two examples. We have negative momentum, the line becomes overbought, and boom, there we go, retracement. And in this case, the line is green, we have positive momentum, boom, there we go, retracement. And as you can see, we also got this red long-term momentum indicating oversold, which can be our confirmation to enter long in this case. this tool is incredible great. I recommend everyone to have a look at this oscillator. If we look at the settings for the Momentum Oscillator, basically this is the momentum line, the speedness of the oscillator, and we have the signal line. Pretty simple. Then we have this momentum, start and end, and it's basically how the oscillator calculates the momentum calorie. Let's have a look on the Bellcurves, which are an oscillator that is really great in identifying significant market moves, which can potentially lead to a reversal. So under oscillator type, go to Bellcurves and select the Bellcurves. And as we can see, we get Bellcurves on the chart. The green one means that we have strong, significant positive momentum or an impulse. And the red one means that we have a strong negative impulse or momentum, which often leads to some sort of pullback or retracement. And we have included a green and a red background color. We also have this momentum or impulse dots, which can be used as a heads up for an upcoming impulse. So these Bellcurves can be used to identify a trend change and reversal. We have included all the necessary features so you can take your oscillator trading to the next level. If you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe. Have a great day.